Hey, what's up guys, it's MTECHCARE here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download and install completely Anaconda in your Linux operating system. By the way, I will tell you that I'm using Linux flavor Ubuntu, and I will tell you how we can download and install Anaconda complete packages in our Linux operating system. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So welcome back again. So guys, first we're gonna do is go to anaconda slash downloads and download the anaconda.sh file, and by the way, I will tell you that all these codes which I used in this video will be given in the description, and please check them out to get copy and paste. And now first we're gonna go to anaconda.com slash download and click the download button. And now Python 3.7 version is the latest version. Now select the Linux operating system because I'm downloading it for Linux. So in however download button and right click, and now copy link address. Now open terminal, and now what we're gonna do is we type wget and now Ctrl Shift V the address, link address, and hit enter. Now now it's downloading the Anaconda files and all this stuff, all the packages. It's now downloading, and downloading depend upon your internet speed. Now my internet speed is not too good right now, and I will see you after a few minutes. So guys, our downloading has been finished. Now check where it is, pwd, and now home, momin directory. So let's check it out. Open files and home. So there it is, Anaconda 2019. Okay, there it is, file. And now what we're gonna do is to install it from this ls. Type ls to list all these files, to see files. Okay, and now type bash space anaconda ana. Now press tab and automatically it will completed the letters, and hit enter. And now enter to continue, and now press enter again. Now press enter, and now type yes and then hit enter, and then again enter. So our installation has been started. Wait for it to install it, all the packages, and then the next step what we're gonna do is to make the environment path of Anaconda so that it does not disturb us during our coding. Initialize Anaconda, hit yes to initialize Anaconda, and now installation has been completed. And now what we're gonna do is to create environment path of Anaconda. So what we're gonna do is type cd and now type source dot bash rc and hit enter. And now everything has been set. Our environmental path has been set. And now check that our Python is installed or not. Here type Python and hit enter. Now what we're gonna see 3.7.4, which we downloaded from website. And now type exit, small bracket open close, and hit enter to exit from this. And now to open Anaconda, type anaconda dash anaconda-navigator and hit enter. Wait for it. And now Anaconda is setting up everything and it's starting up. Now as you can see, we successfully downloaded and installed Anaconda in our Linux operating system, and we have all these editors IDs pre-built, and all of the libraries which were important for Python is available there. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe it if you haven't, and share with your friends. Thank you.